Recording in progress.
ओके चलिए, सो हम लोग लेट्स रिवाइज एवरीथिंग इन ऑर्डर, है ना. लेट्स डू द श्लोक फर्स्ट, देन लेट्स डू तत्कार. लेट्स डू इट इन द ऑर्डर दैट वी हैव टू डू इट, एंड देन वी विल do a little bit of padhant and theory and everything today. Chalo, so yesterday we finished shlok and we did the avtaran also. So पहले श्लोक कर लेते हैं. Let's start.
सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं
Once more.
कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी.
Okay, भवम में कृति ये मुद्रा, not this one. And when you are doing this also, ये रखेंगे मुद्रा, है ना. ये नहीं करना, like you are drinking. Okay.
कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं.
Srinidhi, you missed this step. First is the samudra, then the zehar, then you collect the poison and hold, no? Yes, Srinidhi?
मैम शुगर का छोटा सा एक्सीडेंट हो गया. मेरा स्कूटी से गिर गया, थोड़ा सा पैर में दर्द.
बैठे बैठे करिए, कोई बात नहीं.
ओके.
Okay. Srinidhi, you remember what I'm saying? You followed? I'm telling you, you missed this step. Huh? It is this, then this, no? हाँ, चल. Okay. Now when you all sit down, how is the posture? It is not this. Okay, it is here. So elbows are up like this. And when you sit, don't slouch your shoulders, straight. Okay, okay. Now, yesterday we did the Avtaran, let's do that. Okay. So we have done this portion, pa, thay, and then 3 turns. Tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, 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 tat, tat, ta, thay. 3 times. Yeah. Yeah. हाँ, चलो. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, 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 tat, tat, ta, thay, ta, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, 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 tat, tat, ta, thay, ta, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, tigitha, dig, dig, thay, 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 tat, tat, ta, thay. Okay. Now, when we are going to do all these todas back to back as a presentation, what we are going to do is we have to chain it all up one after the other in the teen tal cycle, which means we have to, in between 2 todas, you have to transition, and when you are doing that transition, you have to do the teen tal tatkar parallelly. So for example, I have made you all hear the lehra, the 16 beat cycle. Yes. So you will get a cue of say 16 beats in the audio, and then in the last 4 beats, 13, 14, 15, 16, ta, thay, thay, tat, like that, the tatkar will start. Now there will always be 2 cycles, 2 avartans of tatkar in between all the todas. So how do we have to perform that? I'll tell you. Yeah. So tatkar you already know, but with upper body you have to keep your hands in utpatti in the first cycle. Okay. So you are doing ta, thay, thay, tat, a, thay, thay, tat, ta, thay, thay, tat, a, thay, thay, tat. But instead of just keeping like this, you will look in the direction of ta, that is in the line of your wrist. So ta, thay, thay, tat, and a, thay, thay, tat, thay, thay, tat, a, thay, thay, tat. This is for the first avtaran, for the first avartan. Afterwards, for the second avartan, you will start using the hastak with it. So first right side, ta, thay, thay, tat. Then left, a, thay, thay, tat. Now with both the hands, you start ta, thay, thay, tat, a, thay, thay, tat. So this double hand movement you will do for complete 8 counts. 4 counts till side, 4 counts till utpatti. This is for the second avartan. Let's take just second avartan. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, the, tat. A, the, tat. Ta, the, my bad. Again. Ta, the, tat, and a, the, and tat. Now, why are we doing this? This is not, I mean, we are performing the tatkar, but this is not called that you are doing tatkar and again and again. It is basically whenever you do the nritya paksh, you have to keep the cycle going of the tal. So once the tabla artist, suppose you eventually we want to perform on stage, eventually आपको एक proper kathak recital करना है. So whenever kathak performance happens, it happens on live music, with live music. And whoever is playing the tabla is playing that tal cycle, that is the theka, dha, dhin, dha, on loop. Then whenever you are performing a particular bandish, whether it's a toda or whatever, he will play that. It will end on some, and then again he will catch the theka and he'll continue playing dha, dhin, dha again. So for him, the theka is the loop, and for us, the tatkar is the loop. So suppose I did any bowl, something, ta na dha, thai, tat, thai, then I'll resume from here, ta, thai, tat, thai, tat, then I'll do the next bowl. So even in any live performance, you'll see that the dancer is continuously doing the teen tal tatkar with in between all the bowls. Okay, followed? Okay, now let's do both the avartan again. First in utpatti, then with the hastak. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, thai, tat. A, thai, tat. Ta, thai, tat. A, thai, hastak. Ta, thai, tat. A, now the moment you finish this, your first bowl will begin. Your first toda is tat, 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 tat. Yeah. So that will start. Okay. Now, if there are two todas, and if in the middle you are doing the tatkar, that is you have to connect the two todas. For example, if you finish the avtaran and then you are doing the toda. So right now you finish the avtaran, thai, tat, ta, thai. This pose, this is basically, this is your sthai anga. Sthai anga means the pose in which you are finishing your toda. Or this is the sum pose, because on sum you are ending with this gesture. So because you are ending on sum and the tal cycle is on, it is equivalent to ta, thai, 2, 3, 4. The count has already begun. So you will hold your pose for 4 counts. Ta, thai, 2, 3, 4. And then from a, thai, tat, you will resume your hand and come back to utpatti. So from here, you will continue your tatkar from the left side. A, thai, tat. And then you will continue the remaining 8 counts in utpatti only. Ta, thai, tat. A, thai, with hands. Ta, thai, tat. A, thai. Like that. Then both the hands. Clear? So always one with utpatti, one with hastak. And when you are transitioning, 4 counts hold, 4 counts come back, and 8 counts in utpatti, and then next complete avartan with hastak. Yes? Chalo, let's try now. Let's stitch up everything in this way. So let me start the lehra, so you all have a let's do on this. You all can hear, no? So in this, the theka and lehra both is audible together. Ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, ta, the. 16 counts full in utpatti. Again, let's start. Ta, the, a, the, ta, the, a. With the hands, ta, the, a, the, ta, the, a, the. Correct. This way. Now this cycle is not going to stop. This is continuously going on a loop. So from some you will catch the avtaran. Obviously the voice will be there in your recording. Like right now I am saying it in your exam audio. It will be there already recorded. है ना? So this way बीच बीच में have to continuously do. So let's do this two avartans and then the avtaran. Then again two avartan, then all the todas like that.
Ma'am, I got some invitation, Zoom invitation from you.
No, I have not sent you anything. It's not in my chat when I am seeing.
From the Gmail.
Ignore it. So weird.
I thought there's something missed out.
So weird, no? Okay. Okay, let's try. What is this being played on the harmonium? This is called an alap. Yes, in music you've heard alap means jab wo log aa karte hain, so that is called an alap in singing. You know? But it's not just it's not about that. It is basically very abstract. It is not rhythm aligned with any rhythm. You're just in an abstract manner with the notes of whichever rag you're going to sing. You are singing along to set the mood of that rag. So even when you are playing harmonium, even if you're going to play a lehra, which is actually rhythmic, and a loop tune. But in the beginning, you will always play some notes like this so that everyone comes into the atmosphere, that ambience of the particular rag, and then they give you a cue of 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, like that. Got a little idea what I was saying? Like this in a cycle. You have to do all of them back to back. This thoda I have to say. I remember.
No, ma'am. The
Huh?
otherwise it taking it down, but taking it down.
Yeah, for some pose. I just realized that I have not told you all that, so take that pose. Otherwise, we'll end here. It doesn't look good. Okay. Now, yesterday we were doing the first toda for the padhant. है ना? This one. Tat tat thai. Tat tat thai. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat ta thai. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat ta thai. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat ta thai. We did this one. Similarly, we will do the next one, which is tat tat thun thun. Okay, again here some words are offbeat, so let's observe. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 tat tat thun thun. Thun and thun are both up. Tat tat thun thun. Tat tat thun thun. And in the second one, tat tat is up, thun is on the beat. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 tat tat thun thun. Tat tat thun thun. Then thun thun. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat. Tat is up. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat. Thun ta dha. Tat and thun both are up in the tihai. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat. Thun ta dha. In the first palla. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat. Thun ta dha. Thun ta dha. Thun ta dha. Second thun is on beat. Thun ta dha. And third again is off. Thun ta dha. So in this all three are not the same. First is on beat, off beat, on beat, like that. Okay, so let's say the whole thing. 1 2 3 go. Tat tat thun thun. Tat tat thun thun. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. Thun ta dha. Thun ta dha. 1 2 3 go. Tat tat thun thun. Tat tat thun thun. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. Thun ta dha. Thun ta dha. What is my remote not working? Tat tat thun thun. Tat tat thun thun. This is like kal wala only. Tat tat thun thun. Tat tat thun thun. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. First palla again. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. Again. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. Dig tha dig dig thai. Tat thun ta dha. The next one, thun is on the beat. Thun ta dha. एंड थर्ड वन अगेन थुन त धा, दिग धा दिग दिग धिग तत थुन त धा, थुन त धा, थुन त धा. Yes. Let's take the first part, do it a couple of times, then you all unmute and say it so that I'm sure that you've got it. First part, tat tat thun thun 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 tat tat thun थुन तत तत थुन थुन. नैना बीच में ताली एडजस्ट नहीं करो, रोको मत, ताली लगातार चलती रहेगी. हमको बोलने को ही एडजस्ट करना है, नॉट ताली को. 1 2 3 गो. तत तत थुन थुन 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 तत तत थुन थुन. Yes, Kriti and Kritika have got it. Prithvi has also got it. I can figure out when you all are saying it. Once more. 1 2 3 go. Tat tat thun thun tat tat thun thun. Krishnendu also is proper. 1 2 3 go. Tat tat thun thun. Okay. नैना एक बार बोलिए अनम्यूट करके. हाँ ये देखो, हाँ यही तत तत नहीं कर सकते हम. हमको बोल को जाने देना है. हमारी ताली वहीं पड़ेगी जहाँ रिदम है. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 तत तत. तत तत नहीं है ना, तत तत दोनों बोल एक में ही है. हाँ नहीं ना बेबी, सब बोल पे अगर ताली बजाने लगेंगे तो हमारा कैसा साउंड करेगा. फिर तो तिगधा दिग दिग थई ऐसे बजाना पड़ेगा हमको, है ना. सो हमको बोल को रिदम में फिट करना है, प्लेस करना है. सो ये जो चल रहा है इसको शिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते हम. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. अब बोल है तत तत या तत तत या तत तत या तत तत, कुछ भी हो, ये शिफ्ट नहीं होगा, है ना. सो पहला आपका पार्ट है तत तत थुन थुन. दो थुन पे बीट है ही नहीं, थुन ऑफ बीट पे है. हाँ हाँ, बस तत तत पे 2 क्लैप मत करो. तत तत थुन थुन. हाँ. सो ऐसे आपको तोड़ तोड़ के ना प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी साथ में. तत तत थुन थुन. यहाँ भी क्लैप, यहाँ भी प्रेशर. आप अभी कैसे पढ़ रहे हो? तत तत थुन थुन. ऐसे भी नहीं करना है. ऑफ तो दोनों ही है, लेकिन कितनी देर के बाद ऑफ है वो भी देखना है. थुन थुन तत तत थुन थुन. तत तत थुन थुन. आप ताली को फर्म रखो. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. तत तत थुन थुन. ये चेंज हो गई ना ताली. 1 2 3 4 पे ही रखना है ताली को. आप बोलने को चेंज करोगे, इसको नहीं चेंज करोगे. हाँ. तत तत वापस जल्दी कर दी ताली। मेहनत लगेगी ना, बहुत बार बोलना पड़ेगा आपको, मेरे ऑडियो के साथ प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी। क्या करें, लय की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें? चलो सेकंड पार्ट इसका जो तिहाई है, तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा। सो अगेन तत् थुन त, ऑल थ्री आर ऑफ बीट। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा। यस नैना, ये सही पढ़ा। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा। ऐसे ही जैसे ये आप देख रहे हो ना, वो ही वहां पे भी देखना है। तत् तत् थुन थुन। हाँ अभी किया, अभी किया। हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अब पूरे को जोड़ दो। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। तत् तत् थुन थुन तत् तत् थुन थुन। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा। सेकंड वाला थुन त धा, थुन त धा। एंड थर्ड अगेन थुन त धा। हाँ, आकृतिक छोड़ना नहीं ताली बीच में, कंटिन्यूसली चलाते रहे, सही जा रहे थे। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा, थुन त धा, थुन त धा। हाँ सेकंड वाले तक सही पड़ा। सेकंड थर्ड में गैप मत करना। 1 2 3 गो। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा, थुन त धा, थुन त धा। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा, थुन त धा, थुन त धा। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा, थुन त धा, थुन त धा। वन टू फ्रॉम द टॉप। तत् तत् थुन थुन तत् तत् थुन थुन। तिगधा दिग दिग थे तत् थुन त धा, थुन त धा, थुन त धा। And once you get this, you put it in the theka. So tat tat thun thun tat tat thun thun. Tigadha dig dig thai tat thun ta dha thun ta dha thun ta dha. Yes, that is step 2.
दीदी लास्ट कुंदा वो तो मैं बीच पे ही आ रही हूँ।
एक बार पढ़िए। सही जा रहा है। तत् तत् थुन थुन तत् तत् थुन थुन। तिगधा दिग दिग थई तत् थुन त धा थुन तय धा थुन तय धा.
एक बार
Hmm. सही जा रहा है. दिखदा दिख दिख थई तय थुन तय धा सब ऊपर है. हाँ आया बराबर. थोड़ा इसको प्रैक्टिस करके मुझे सुनाइए आप लोग, है ना. ये और पहला वाला, ये और पहला वाला. फिर नेक्स्ट थर्ड वाला भी ले लेंगे तो बढ़िया. 6 के 6 आपको आ गया पढ़ना. Can I borrow your throat, any of your throat who doesn't talk for some days, and meanwhile y'all can take my throat and heal it and recover it and give it back to me. I wish this was possible with body parts. Prithvi, how is it over there now?
It's good. यहाँ का एक अच्छा
कृति, पृथ्वी को पूछ रही हूँ, वहाँ वॉर चल रहा है ना. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. आप लोग के नाम ही ऐसे सबके.
It's not looking good. We keep hearing nonsense. Keep getting alerts. So when they send us alert, start loading. And then they send us another alert.
So I mean, I'm with geography. I don't know which part you are and where. I mean, we've heard कि बाहर हो रहा है, यहाँ हो रहा है, वहाँ हो रहा है. समझ नहीं आ रहा पर.
सब जगह.
अरे बाप रे.
Initially it was on this port side and where the US bases are, that is a particular place close to Abu Dhabi. So initially it started there. And gradually again it started moving towards city. No residential area as such, but one of the debris fell right in front of the house, which affected a lot of my kids, the whole houses, because we have French windows, so all the glass were like fighting. And there was one which fell on a house yesterday. That kind of is scaring us. In one of the place, it fell on a building actually. So we don't know what's going to happen. The airports are operating. Emirates flights is operating, but many of them are not. And it's like, sometimes they're just in the runway. They start and then just in the runway. The other day it was almost like 3 hours just in runway. They didn't know what to do, and then probably a missile threat or something like that. So nothing is sure, I mean, because among all the Gulf countries, UAE has been, but the government is doing the best. Like, we don't